Hello, I am Abel from Best Landscape and Construction located in Hyattsville, Maryland. Do you have an all wooden deck that you can enjoy because it's all ugly, or maybe you have in a backyard and you can use because there is nothing on the backyard? Well, install a new wooden or composite deck. It could be the solution to start to enjoy your backyard. And now we are not building just a deck, we are installing the new system that is called a Trek Rainscape system that allows you to enjoy your deck even when it's raining. So in this video I want to show you this deck that we are building, but it's not a simple deck, it's a deck that has a Trek Rainscape system. So please take a look. As you can see here, we already installed the deck framing. This deck is 12 by 20, and the guys already finished with the deck framing. And after the deck framing is done is when it's a time to install the Trek Rainscape system. As you can see, this system is installed between the deck joints. Okay, so here is the Trek Rainscape material, as you can see here. So what the Trek Rainscape system does is collect the rainwater, okay, and redirect the water to the front edge of the deck. Along the edge of the deck we install what is called funnels, okay, all along the deck. So this funnel will collect the rainwater from the entire deck, and at the edge of the deck we're going to install a gutter. Okay, as you can see, the gutter is not installed yet, but the guy, after the guy finish the deck, they're going to install a gutter to collect the rainwater from the entire deck in a downspout at the end of the gutter to distribute the rainwater on the entire yard. Okay, so as you can see, this is really nice system that will allow our client not just to have a deck, so it's an area that they're going to be enjoy after the deck is finished. They will be able to enjoy the deck even when it's raining. So one more time, I am Abel from Best Landscape and Construction. If you are planning to build a new deck, we will be happy to help you. Thank you.